Hello, and welcome. To create a new item on the Slimrate tablet, you need to press the plus symbol in the top right corner. After that, you need to press Add Item to Inventory. You need to input the item name, you need to input the item price using the pen pad, if you want, you can apply an item cost to keep track of your supply price. You can input the category, you can input the subcategory, you can input the item unit, applicable tax, age restriction if needed, and a color to display on the tablet, and the item barcode. Now press Save. The newly added item will automatically be added to your order. If this is an age-restricted item, it will show an age-restricted prompt. There is how you can add an item to your catalog in Slimrate POS.